Hey there, and welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through what Stripe is and how you can get started using Stripe payments step by step. So before we dive in, let's first understand what Stripe actually is. Stripe is one of the world's leading financial infrastructure platforms designed to help businesses and individuals send, receive, and manage payments online. Whether you are running an e-commerce store, a marketplace, a retail business, or even offering personal services, Stripe has flexible solutions tailored for you. Stripe's ecosystem also includes tools for tax management, billing, invoicing, fraud prevention, and much more, making it a complete platform for handling all your payment needs. So now let me explain what is Stripe Payments. Now Stripe Payment is the core product that allows you to accept online payments through payment links, custom checkouts, or an integrated system. So customize the checkout experience to match your brand, offer flexible payment methods like cards, bank transfers, wallets, and even buy now pay later services. It is designed to be seamless, fast, and easy both for you and for your customers. So now let me explain how to get started. So to get started, you have to head over to the stripe.com, and then you have to tap on click get started and enter your email address and tap on to start now. And if you already have an account, you can sign in using your using the option here like sign in. Okay, now tap on to start now, and then for the purpose of this video, I'm gonna tap sign up with Google. So I'm gonna just log in with Google and then tap continue. So if you don't already have an account, just sign up by entering your business and personal information. And most probably Stripe will ask you to verify your business details and your bank account for payouts. So as you can see, I'm already on my Stripe account. So here you can see the option called get your live account. Tap onto this, and from there you can get your live account of Stripe. And you have to enter your legal, so in order to verify your personal details, you have to enter your legal name, and then this your legal last name, and then you have to enter your email address, your date of birth from here. For example, I am gonna tap this. Wait, let me enter that. Okay, now you have to enter your home address, your apartment, etc. Now then you have to enter your phone number. So after all the information you gathered and entered here, Stripe will send a code number like 4 digits of social security number onto your phone number. So check out your phone number for the code, and then you have to tap on to continue. From there you can also, like the previous one was for personal details, and now you have to enter your business details like your business type, enter your business location like where are your business located. Then you have to enter your business type like what type of business are you running, like unregistered business or registered business, which is registered by LLC, partnership, or corporation, or there's also non-profit organizations like tax exempt organization with 501c3 status. And as you can see, it is asking that does your business have an employee identification number like EIN. So just enter the infos correctly. If it has, then tap onto yes, and if don't, then tap onto no, and then you have to tap onto continue. Also you have to enter more of your business details if you want, like enter your business name, your industry, like what type of industry are you in. For example, I'm gonna tap onto digital products and apps. Then you have to enter your business website. If you have a business website, just go to your business website and then copy the link and then paste it here. Now here you can have to add your product description, like you have to add what is your product about and what are they for, like for the kids or for the adults, like what are they for. Now then you have to tap continue. Here you have to enter your public details, and then you have to add your bank details from here, like choose an account for payouts, like I'm going to choose this Bank of America, and then you have to tap on continue and log into your account, official account. Like for the Bank of America, you have to enter your official username and password and then submit. So there are other options, more options, like secure your account. Tap onto it and secure accounts by entering all the information here. Just follow the steps, then you can add extras and review and finish from here. As you can see, you can edit your website details, your customer support information, your account representative, missing a bank account, like you can add a bank account where you will receive your payouts. You can add your two-step authentication, your tax calculation if you wanted to honor or customize it, and climate commitment. You just have to tap on to edit and you can customize them. Now let's move forward to the Stripe homepage. And from the home page you can tap on to balances, and from the balances you can check your incoming amounts. Also you can check your available amounts. As you can see, I just have created the account, so there's no funds available, but when you use this account, like you can create an account and use it, there will be more available funds. Also there will be more incoming balances. From the transactions options, here you can check your transactions, and at the top right corner you can see this option called create payment. Tap onto it, and from there you can choose your option. For me, I'm going to tap onto payment link, and from there you can add a product from here, and you have to enter your product name, record your description, and then your product image, like your product image. Then you have to set the amount for your product in the USDT, or if you want into another currency you can choose it from there. So after all the information you added here, and you have to enter your unit quantity, and if you want more advanced option you can click on more pricing options and you can edit them from here. You can add a price by currency, like you can choose extra currency. For example, I'm going to choose this one, AED, and you can choose more currencies from here. And after choosing all the currencies you have to enter your price description from here. And this one is a lookup key. It is kind of SEO things like search engine optimization. It make it easier to manage and make future pricing changes by using a unique key. Here just enter your unique key, and also customers can find it easily, like your products easily, if you add some lookup keys. Now tap on to next, and then you have to tap on to add products to here, and your product will be added to your Stripe account right here. Okay, so let it load first. Now you have to tap exit, and you can tap onto these options if you want, like you can collect tax automatically, collect customers addresses, you can require customers to provide a phone number, also limit the number of payments. There are some advanced options available, like add custom fields, allow promotion codes, allow business customers to provide tax IDs, save payment details for future products. You can choose your products or subscriptions to customers choose how to pay. Now you can, let's move on to another options, like if you want to create new Stripes account, you at the top left corner you can see this option. You have to tap onto it and then tap onto other account. From that you can create new account for your Stripe, like you have to enter your new account's name and then location, then tap create. And here you can see these payment options, like your analytics, your distribution. From analytics you can choose your, you can see your overall analytics of your payments, like how much you earned on the month or before. Here you can see billing, your overview, your subscription, like what subscriptions do you have, your meters, revenue, recovery, and from reports you can see all the reports. And from the more options you can find more options like tags, connect. You can connect your other accounts like other platform. You can connect your powerful platform with here, like tap on to get started and connect your other platforms to here. For example, you can connect Shopify to Stripe easily. Tap continue and then tap on to save here. So you can connect here. Just simply click on create. And from customers, you can see your customers like who purchased your products from the product catalog. You can see features. You can add coupons from here at the product catalog. Like you can tap on to create test coupon and then enter name, ID. This is optional. You have to enter a percentage of like, and you also can add fixed amount of. I would like to add 20%, 12% off. And then you can choose whether to add it to all the products or only to specific products. If you want to add it to specific products, you just have to add new products and find the product, or like enter the product name, description and the product image and then tap on to add products. Now after all the customization, you have to tap create account. So that was pretty much it. That's how Stripe works and how you can easily start accepting your payments from Stripe. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more helpful videos. So listen to all whole the video perfectly so that you don't make any mistake. That was it. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye. Ta-da.